Hello, this is Gentry again. How are you today? Today's idiom is going to be small potatoes. For example, at work, nobody listens to me. They treat me like small potatoes. Okay? Like I'm an unimportant person. So one more time. They treat mariko like small potatoes. So like a small person, or like it's a small thing, or maybe it could be just a small problem. Don't worry about it. So one more time. Small potatoes. Thank you.
Everybody at work treats me like small potatoes. I'm tired of it. 職場では私のことをみんなくだらない人として扱います。もううんざりです。